Day 2. Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna show you guys the tutorial on how to change your engine air filter and then the cabin air filter for this 2012 Prius. This is the plug-in. So for the regular hybrid should be the same, and also for the hybrid V or hybrid 5. So let's go ahead and get it started. You want to go ahead and open your hood. So you go ahead and open your hood latch right here. So make sure you get the correct engine air filter. Gonna pull this latch, pull it out. So just have enough space, and then you can pop it out. So it's just a little bit dirty, but we haven't changed it for 100, and this car has about 109,000 miles. So you got this nice and clean filters. Just pop in. Make sure your dirty finger doesn't touch the bottom. So on the bottom, you gotta put those clip in there first in an angle, okay? And after that, you could push this down and then clamp it in. And then that's it for the engine air filter. Toss this into your recycle bin. And then now we're gonna move this to the cabin filter. That is the C35667. So we're gonna go ahead and open the passenger side door. So you're gonna push this glove compartment, press it, and open it and let it flat down, okay? And then you want to remove this latch right here by just pulling this out. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and then squeeze both of the plastic end toward inside to remove it. So push it in. I'm gonna go on this side and then move in. Okay, so you can remove the whole thing now by pulling towards you, and just let it drop down. See, there's like a latch right here, like a bar for you to sit the. Let me show you guys. It's kind of right there. That's where it's sitting to the bar. And this is where the stopper is at on both ends. And here is your cabin air filter. If you go to the dealer, they're going to charge you the arm and legs for that. There's a latch right here, and just need to pull it out to remove it. So this one goes in first, okay? And then now you can put the cabin filter out. So yeah, it is. This is more filthier than the engine air filter. So I'm gonna leave it on the dash here. And I got my new and then fresh, clean one. And it has an arrow pointing up, same as the arrow is pointing up right there. So make sure you put it in the correct position. Just gonna dump it out. And just pop this baby in. Just like that. Put back the cover. Alright. So this kind is going to be tricky part, okay? This one, you put those two hooks on each side, and all you do is just push it back in. And this is like a tiny air or hydraulic for the glove compartment to come in back down slowly when you open it up. So be careful, don't break that thing. So hopefully I could use it one hand. I'm gonna put it into the latch right there. Okay, now it's in. So make sure you sit down evenly and then just inspect it. And all you do is just push in, and then that's it. So now it's locked into its place. And make sure you put this hydraulic hook in there. Okay, and then close your compartment, and then that's it, you're all set. Okay, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.